Hi there, students. To lease, a verb, and a lease, a noun. Okay, if you lease something, this is the making of a legal agreement where you pay money in order to use a building, a flat, land, a vehicle, or a piece of equipment for an agreed period of time. So if you want to find somewhere to live, then you would lease yourself a flat. Now, probably the first thing you're going to ask is, what is the difference between to lease and to rent? Now, there's not a great deal of difference between the two of them. Firstly, normally, to rent is a short-term thing, whereas to lease is a long-term thing. So, for example, if you go on holiday, you rent a flat for, or you rent a house for a week. That's a rental. Whereas when you come home, you're home. You have a lease of 1 year or a lease of 5 years on your flat, or even in the UK, a lease of 99 years. You can buy 99-year leases. Okay, so firstly, to rent is short term, whereas to lease is long term. Also, normally, in a rental, the person who rents is liable. They need to pay for the maintenance of the thing. So, for example, if you rent a car, then you need to pay for any wear and tear that you might have on that. But normally, as it's such a short period, that is nothing. I think that's probably more technical. Whereas if you lease something, the landlord or the owner is liable for maintenance of the building, for example. Okay, so to lease an apartment, a lease, it's a contract granting the use or occupation of a piece of property, or the use of a car, or the use of a piece of machinery for a fixed period of time. Oh, that brings me to the other one as well. Normally, a lease is a fixed period of time, but a rental is something that normally rolls over. So you rent something by the day, and I rent the flat for 10 days, but maybe I need it for 2 more, and the rental can continue. A lease is fixed in period, and when the lease runs out, then you negotiate another lease or not. Yeah, whereas the rental can roll over when it is finished. Okay, so to lease, to grant the use of something under the terms of a contract, but both the lease and the rental have various different terms of contract. So to lease, to grant property on a lease, they also use the verb to let. Yeah, to let or to lease is quite interesting. So I'm trying to let a flat. I'm trying to rent a flat. To take property on lease. Notice there are a couple of idioms as well. If something gives you a new lease of life, it gives you an improved prospect of life. It makes you feel rejuvenated, makes you feel repaired and new. So, a lease, a contract by which normally property is given to somebody for their use for a period of time. Lease a building, to lease a car, to lease a property, to lease an aircraft. So, formality, to lease. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, but use it anywhere. I think this is something you can use anywhere. And then as to origin, it comes from the French word laisser, to let, to permit, from Latin laxo, to loose. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To lease.